In this movie I want to explain a recipe of a medicinal chocolate milk that's really very tasteful and everybody can enjoy this. So according to the taste, it is maybe much better than the industrial chocolate milk. So this is coconut flour. You also have coconut milk powder that you can use instead of milk, and this is cocoa powder. And this is cinnamon, but I made cinnamon tea and I put it hot water and broken cinnamon sticks together for 24 hours. Then you have a strong cinnamon flavor. Then I add stevia tea. Stevia is a sweet powder, so you add the tea, and this is sugar. So this is palm sugar, but this is palm sugar paste, and you also have them in powder form and in hardened form. This is the paste, good for the chocolate milk. And then you add just boiled hot water. And now you stir it well. And in this way, so you mix it all together with a little water, and then you add the full amount of water. And that's the way you make a medicinal chocolate milk. And in the article and in the other movies, you can see what's the medicinal effect of this chocolate milk.